Hello everyone. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix Ghost Recon Wildlands stuck on the loading screen, not loading on PC. To resolve the issue, start by clicking on the search bar located on your taskbar and typing Device Manager. Once it appears, click on it to open the window that displays various options. Next, expand the Display Adapters section, right-click on Intel R, HD Graphics 530. Now, select Update Driver to ensure that your graphics driver is up to date. Another way to fix the issue is by opening the Start menu and selecting Run. In the Run box, type temp and click OK. When the folder opens, delete all the temporary files displayed there. You can also try updating your system. To do this, use the search bar on the taskbar to search for Settings. Open Settings, then select Windows Update from the left-hand panel. Then, click Check for Updates and install any available updates to make sure your computer is running the latest version of Windows. Finally, restart your computer to complete the process. To restart, open the search bar on the taskbar, click the power button, and select Restart. Your PC will reboot, which should help resolve the issue. That's it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.